So in this video, I wanted to show you how to make a page and then add it to a menu, just as an example. And I'm sure it's something you're very familiar with, but I figured it couldn't hurt to make a quick video. So we're back in the dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you'll see where it says Pages. You'll select Add New and title it. Um, Then you can write in the body. If you want to add images or sound files and so forth, you can do that. You click Add Media, and right now this is all the images that we've uploaded, and you can upload more, select files from your desktop or whatnot. Pretty normal. You can change the layout if you like, if you wanted something on the right or the left. I've been picking across the board on your website this no sidebar with the kind of center so it's not full width, which can sometimes create odd spacing. And you know, I've selected this just to keep it all aesthetically consistent, but you may do as you like, obviously. You do not have to publish it. You can save it as a draft and return later. You can preview how it's going to look. And if you like it, then you click Publish. So for right now, I'll just go ahead and publish it, and I'll delete it after this video, or even delete it in the video so you can see how that's done. But the reason I've published it is so that I can show you the second part. Posts are very much the same, but to add a page or a category or something to a menu, you go down to Appearances, down to Menus, and you select that. You can create multiple menus. I've only created one to keep the website fairly simple. And then over here right now you'll see all the pages that have been built. So I'm going to select that newest ones at the top. I've selected the box, and I can add it to the menu. Before I do so, I'm just going to show you that you have other options of things that you can add to a menu. You can add links, although I have not done that. I don't have any links, external links on the website. Or you can create categories and then tag posts with a category, and then they will automatically, so like say you have a works in progress category and you create posts and you tag them as works in progress, you could add that category works in progress to this menu, and then when someone selected that, they would see all the things that you've tagged works in progress. But pages are, you know, your most static form of posting content. So I will click Add to Menu, and then you will see that that shows up at the bottom, and apparently I've clicked that twice, so I'm just going to remove one example. So when it's like this, it's going to show up at the top of the menu. So I'll show you Save Menu. You always have to save. And then I'm going to take us to the site, and now you can see that page is added to your menu here. Or maybe you want to, as we talked about, nest some of your pages. So for instance, Work Series is your top level, and then the series are nested within it. And to do that is very simple. You just pull it over to the right, and it becomes a sub item of this. So again, I'm going to save that menu, and just to show you how that looks on the website, you'll notice it's not here anymore. It's now here as a drop-down menu. And just one more time, back to menus. I'm going to show you, you can even nest it again. So now it's on a third sub-level with Work Series at the top, and then we're saying this is part of the Elemental. So just to show you how that looks, we save the menu, go to the site. Here's our drop down, and then Elementor actually has this page attached to it. And so that is how you create a page and how you add it to your menu. And for my peace of mind, since I'm looking at it, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to save menu so that that hasn't changed anything. And then I'm also going to go back to the pages and select video sample and delete it just so that that's not cluttering up the website. And that is how you you add and delete a web page to your website as well as add it to your menu.